appalling weather today. Storm Dennis is with us. It's Sunday and we're on our way up to the motorcycle show. We thought about riding, but no, don't think so. It's very wet, very windy, and we're expecting a lot of rain on the way up. So we thought, well, we can't really rely on public transport, so we're going to take the car up. So I'm just off to pick up the two croonies from the Picos trip, my brother Phil and our good friend Dave. And then we're going to go for a quick munchies before we head up to the show. So come join us. Yeah, don't get much of these things.
Oh, beautiful.
Morning.
Morning. Right.
I can't believe you're all sort of all strapped up. You've only walked like 5 yards.
Oh, I'm getting wet.
Chew. Welcome to Dave's Karaoke. Car karaoke. Oh, okay. Who's that? Oh, who's that? Oh, boy. Who was it? You tried to live that one quietly, didn't you? Jesus, Dave! That was wrong! Who was it? Huh?
Tell it.
Dave!
That was a good one out. I didn't expect it to be like that, but yeah.
McDonald's competing on you so soon, isn't it?
When you have to deliver something quietly like that, it includes the smell as well, Dave. No, you need to turn it down a notch.
Watery eyes.
Hello, mate.
Come with panniers, maybe it's the same thing. still got to carry the foot. Maybe your one's a little blade.
You've got a blade on it, yeah. You can
Blade push through.
Yeah, you've got a blade on it. You whip round. Whip round. This one couldn't have thought the same as Kate's there, but just had a little solenoid. You just have the fob in your pocket all the time. Yeah. And then you just like. Is there an extra screen on this? Orange and green don't go really, does it? Good. Have you?
I think the seat needs to be a little bit further back still as no far from the car. Yeah, I'll tell you what, that actually felt a bigger show compared to last year. I appreciate you guys weren't there last year. But there's so much more. It felt there's more substance.
I don't know, a great deal on clothing though. I don't even know what channel about this.
No, I actually enjoyed this year's show. I say, I think because there was just so much on the stands, and I think
it was nice. I mean, I had a good look round at all the bikes and just really happy and pleased with what I've got. There's nothing out there that I could say that's like, you know, way fast better than what I've got, because there isn't.
yeah. I think for many it's the justification. Did they buy the the bike that they bought a few years ago? Does it still fit? Yeah, I think there is certainly some disappointments with certain bikes. As I think Katie are missing a hole with them. They need to have an 890, like an SMT update, because there's nothing between the 790 and the 1290. There's a 500cc range there, which you've got the MT Tracer MT09 and the BMW. I think there needs to be a comparable sitter bike there type thing. Good. Well, KFC it is then.
Make the old EcoBoost work, mate.